guys, Dan here with Battlefield Curator, and we got ourselves a little something from Palmetto State Armory. The PSAK 47 GF3-R. The PSAK 47 GF3-R is actually built from a Romanian military AKM parts kit. Now, Palmetto does put their own receiver and barrel and some other parts on there that are US made to be 922R compliant. Now, PSA does guarantee that the bolt carrier, trunnion, and dust cover are parts matching. So what are we waiting for? Let's unbox it.
All right, let's open it up. Oh man, look at that. I like the wood on that one. Looks pretty good. So yeah, it looks like it comes with a little rubber piece here. Take that off. You got a bolt block there. One thing I did notice is that there is a gap between the back of the receiver and the buttstock. A little cosmetic issue, no worries. It's a nice pistol grip there. It's really good condition. Comes with a polymer mag. Comes with this, what is this? Just a little inspection mark here. Comes with a trigger lock, or so you keep the gun safe, and the owner's manual here. All right, and of course you get the Palmetto State Armory sticker. So just by looking at this weapon, this is pretty cool looking. There is the markings here on this side now. So from what you can see here, you've got the GF3-R, which is essentially Palmetto State Armory's model, GF3 Romanian, and you've got the date on the trunnion. This is a 1966. It's pretty early Romanian AK. It's pretty awesome. You'll see you got a sight rail, so you can mount something on there if you want to. Underneath, you've got the Palmetto State Armory logo and information there. PSAK 47. Does have a bayonet lug. The buttstock here, a little bit of a gap, and you got a hole. You can put a cleaning kit if you want to, but there's nothing in there. Cool. So it appears that this magazine does stay in pretty well. This is a Palmetto State Armory 30 round double stacked magazine for the AK polymer, and I looked at all the rivets here. They all look like they were put in place really well. So the manufacturing quality, I want to say, is pretty good on this this model here. So now we just got to take it to the range and see how it functions. I'll also try some surplus mags and see how well those do.
Okay, when we unboxed it, everything looked great, so why not take it to the range? All right, and looks like we came into a little bit of problem here. We were shooting a little bit low. We were pretty much shooting at a 75-yard target and hitting pretty low. So we ended up finding out that, hey, look, that front sight post is sitting pretty high, so let's adjust it. After the adjusting, we centered it up at 75 yards. So the conclusion is, hey, this AK on a Romanian parts kit shot pretty well. I think Palmetto State Armory did a good job putting this thing together. They anodized it and painted it black, so it's all blacked out for the most part, most of the metal. The wood is in pretty good condition. The parts stated that are matching do match. So really the only problem is that front sight post and maybe a little bit of cosmetic issue with the buttstock fitting into the receiver. We tried out the AK with a few different surplus mags and they seemed to work just fine. There wasn't really a lot of play with the mag well, so that's also very good. Now, Palmetto State Armory also has the dong grip version, which you can kind of aim up like this instead of having to hold the just a standard AK front hand grip. So this is the one I think that was more appealing to me. These AKs are available on Palmetto's site. I don't know how many they have left in stock or if they're still building out these kits. It seems as if these Romanian parts kits are coming into the States pretty frequently, and so we might see a lot more. Now, they also do have a battlefield pickup version, which I find very appealing, and I'd rather trade this one out for a battlefield pickup, but it wasn't available when I looked on the website. So I am very content with what I have here. So let me know in the comments if you're thinking about getting one of these or you already have one and what you think about Palmetto State's AK-47. Well, that concludes the video, and be sure to check us out on Instagram and Facebook as well. Be sure to learn history and curate history. Make it a great day.